Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you feel better. I'm Zbihul Asmimi, your English teacher. Today we are going to study page 33 and its grammar, present continuous. We have already talked about present continuous before, okay? So if you don't know what present continuous is, you have to watch the previous videos, okay? Present continuous tense shows an action which is going on right now, okay? For example, I am speaking right now. So that was just an example. Let's come to the explore part. Read and listen to the dialogue. Find examples of the present continuous. Okay, let's listen to this dialogue here, okay? And then we'll find examples of present continuous tense here. Just a reminder for you, dear students, how do you find an example of present continuous tense? Just remember the structure. The structure was subject plus is mr plus a verb with the ing and plus complement. Okay? For example, I am talking. I is the subject. M is be. Talk is verb. ing. Talking. Okay? So let's listen.
Unit 4, page 33. Grammar. Explore. Exercise 1. Read and listen to the dialogue.
Hi Sue, where are you?
I'm at Sarah's house, but I'm not having a good time.
Why not?
I don't know many people here.
Is Kate there?
Yes, she's chatting. What are you doing?
I'm sitting in the living room with my parents. We're watching TV. It's a boring documentary.
Do you want to meet up for a coffee?
Sure. Where shall we meet?
At the cafe near the cinema.
Okay. I'm leaving the house now. See you in about 15 minutes.
Okay, so now let's find the examples of present continuous here, okay? Which one do you think is the example of present continuous? Which sentence do you think is in present continuous tense? Hi Sue, where are you? No, this is not present continuous tense sentence. I'm at Sarah's house, but I'm not having a good time. Okay, here it is. I'm not having a good time. It's a negative sentence, but it is present continuous. Why? I is a subject, M is be. This is verb with ing. I'm not having a good time. Why not? I don't know many people here. Is Kate there? Yes, she is chatting. Oh, she is chatting. This is again example of present continuous tense. What are you doing? Again example of present continuous tense. Sure, this time it's a question. I'm sitting in the living room with my parents. Another example of present continuous tense. I'm sitting in the living room with my parents. We are watching TV. Another example of present continuous tense. We are watching TV. It's a boring documentary. Okay? Do you want to meet up for a coffee? Sure. Where shall we meet? At the cafe near the cinema. Okay. I'm leaving the house now. Okay, I'm leaving the house now. This is also an example of present continuous tense. See you in about 15 minutes. Okay, so we found the example of present continuous. Let's move to the other part. Read the rule and complete the table with verbs from the text. Okay, here we have some blankets. So we have to complete these with the words from this conversation. Okay, first let's read the rule, present continuous. We form the present continuous with the verb be and the verb plus ing. Okay, when you want to form a sentence in the present continuous, you have to use be. Be, it means in the present continuous you have to use is mr. Okay, and plus verb with ing. For example, I am talking, you are listening, you are watching this video. Okay? Let's make some affirmative sentences. I am the house now. Okay, look at this sentence here. I am, okay, I'm leaving the house now. Very nice. Okay, let's make this a bit, alright. Okay, so I'm leaving the house now. Okay, so here we have to write what? I'm leaving the house now. Number 2, she chatting. So what do we use here? She is chatting. Very nice. Number 3, we're, okay, look at this. We're what? We're watching TV. Very nice. Okay, we're watching TV. Okay, let's make some negative sentences. I having a good time. Okay, let's find this sentence. I having a good time. Okay, I'm not having a good time. Okay, I'm not having a good time. It means I'm not happy here, right? Okay, so I have to say I'm not having a good time. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means a question. What doing? Okay, let's find this one here. What doing? Okay, so what are you doing? Are and you. Okay, what are you doing? So here we have to use what? What are you doing? Okay, very nice. Use. We use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now, right? Yeah, of course, because it's present continuous, and when you are talking about present continuous tense, it means you're talking about the actions that are happening right now. Okay, very good. Let's go to the other side. What do we have here? Okay, it is exercise 3. Read the spelling rules for the present continuous in the lookout box. Find more examples of the rules in the dialogue in exercise 1. Okay, let's read these rules here. Spelling rules, verb plus ing. It means some verbs are different from the others when you want to add ing with them. How? For example, most verbs plus ing. It means we don't change verbs. We just add ing to the verbs, like watch, watching. Okay? Verbs ending in e, we eliminate, we omit e, we add ing. For example, write, we omit e here, we use writing. Okay? Verbs ending in short vowel plus consonant. Consonant is the letter which doesn't have a sound. Double. Double means you have to double the consonant. Okay? And then add ing. Look, double consonant plus ing. Swim. What's the last letter? Consonant. What do we have before the consonant? Sharp vowel here. So we double this M, we double this consonant, right? You see here, and then we add ing. Okay? Very good. Now those were some rules, okay? You have to find some words in accordance with these rules in that conversation. Okay? Come to the exploit. Before we explain exploit, if you want to check page 100, that's grammar reference, just for your better understanding. Exploit. Write true sentences about what is happening now. Right now, what's happening? Write true sentences, correct sentences. Use the present continuous, affirmative or negative. Means you can make affirmative or negative sentences. For example, the first one, it is example, I wear a sweatshirt. Okay, so are you wearing a sweatshirt right now? If you are wearing a sweatshirt right now, you have to write, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. If you're not wearing, you have to say, I'm not wearing a sweatshirt. Okay? I'm not wearing a sweatshirt. I am wearing a sweatshirt. For example, number 2. I will make this one. Then you will be able to make the rest of the sentences. I sit next to my friend. So if you are sitting next to your friend, you can say, I am sitting next to my friend. Or if you're not sitting next to your friend, you can say, I'm not sitting next to my friend. Okay? Make these sentences the same like the first and the second one. Okay? They're much easier. Just use is, am, or are here and add ing to the verb. Okay? Good. Let's move to the second part. Ask and answer questions about people in the picture. Okay, in the picture we have a lot of people, so we're going to ask and answer questions about them. Use verbs from the box. Okay, so we have to use these verbs: carry, chat, drink, eat, love, play, sit, smile, stand, walk, wear. For example, how do we use those verbs and how do we make sentences? This is the example. What's the woman doing? What's the woman doing? This woman, what's she doing? She is carrying a baby. What's she doing? She is carrying a baby. Okay? Another example. What's that boy doing? What's the boy doing? You have to say he is drinking juice. He is drinking juice. So you make sentences just like that. Use these verbs and these people. Okay? Very nice. Number 3. Write a short description of one of the people in the photo. Short description. Include this information. For example, his or her physical appearance. Appearance, it means how do they look like? How does he, she look like? Tall, short hair or long hair, etc. His or her clothes. What he or she is doing. For example, David has short hair. Okay, let me give you an example of this, okay? Look at this lady here, okay? This lady, she is wearing a dress. She is carrying a baby, okay? And she has long hair, okay? Just like that. Or just like this lady, she is wearing a blue dress. She is laughing and she has long hair. She is wearing shoes, okay? Just like that. So make sentences. Just use one person, select one person, choose one person, and then make sentences on that person. Okay? Good. So, do not forget your workbook, which is page 30. Okay? Workbook, page 30. Do not forget that. Let's go to the next page, which is page 34. Okay. So page 34, we have skills describing clothes. Okay, clothes. Vocabulary. Vocabulary means we are going to learn some words. Match the clothes in the picture. Okay, in this picture. In this picture, we see a lot of clothes. Match the clothes in the picture with the words from the box. In this box, we have a lot of words. So we have to match these words with these clothes. Which items aren't illustrated? It means which items are not explained. Okay? Which items are not described? Let's find out. Clothes. Blouse. Do we have a blouse here? Yeah, we have got a blouse here. Boots. Do we have boots here? Okay, boots. Yeah, here they are, boots. Okay, what about cap? Cap. Do we have a cap here? Yes, here it is, cap. Cardigan. Cardigan is a kind of coat. Do we have it here? No. Okay, dress. Okay, headscarf. Headscarf. You know headscarf? This is a headscarf. Jacket. Jeans. Jeans means in our language we say patlun. jumper. Jumper is a kind of coat. Okay. Shirt, shoes, shorts. Shorts, land patlun. In Pashto we say land patlun. Skirt, in Pashto we say laman. Socks, jarapi. Sweatshirt, a kind of shirt. T-shirt, again the same shirt. Do we have a t-shirt here? Okay. Have to find. Tie. Do we have a tie here? Tie. Do we have a tie here? In Pashto, what do we call tie in Pashto? In Pashto we say necktie. Top. Do we have a top here? Tracksuit bottoms, trainers, and trousers. Find these words and match them with the clothes. Okay? And also, there are a lot of clothes which are not illustrated here. Okay? So, come to the next part. Okay, match the clothes in the picture with the colors. Okay, for example, Sally's blouse is red. Sally's blouse is red. Okay, so it's red blouse, we can say. Okay, pink, you can say Lila's dress is pink. Lila's dress is pink. Okay, red, purple in our language we say banjani. Blue, green, yellow, orange, brown, white, gray, khaki. Okay, black. So just find these colors with these people and make sentences just like that one. Exercise 4. Write some questions about what the people in the picture are wearing. Simple question. For example, who's got a yellow cardigan? Who's got a yellow cardigan? Okay, so in the answer you can say Paul has got a cardigan. Paul has got a yellow cardigan. Okay, or you can say who's got boots? Who's got boots? In answer, you say Sally has got boots. Sally has got boots. Okay, let's go to the other part. Okay. So exercise 5, play a memory game. Okay, it's a game. Look at the picture in exercise 1 for a minute and then close your books. Look at this picture, okay, and then close your books. Try and answer your question in exercise 4. Who's got a pink dress? Lila, right? So look at that picture and then close your book and try to answer your questions. Exercise 6. Write sentences describing 3 people in the picture in exercise 1. It's also the same thing. You can do it. Very easy. Sally is tall. She has got black hair and a red blouse. Okay? Okay, dear student, that is it for today. Don't forget your homework. Complete your workbook, which is page 31. Okay? And try to memorize the meaning of these words. So, until next time, goodbye, have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe.